So here's what happened. Driving along, went to go shift into a lower gear, and guess what? Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it? I'm still driving. Yeah, great fun. The way you do that, you get down in there, and you play with the little shift linkages with your hands. It's great. So you have to pull this, leave the left or right, depending on what gear you want. If you want 1 or 2, you pull left. If you want 3 or 4, you leave it in the middle. And if you want 5th, which you're never gonna need, you put it over there. But yeah, and then you pull the right cable that's currently disconnected. Freaking awesome. So yeah, that's my story. I called a tow truck. The dude said 45 minutes, and I've been waiting about an hour and a half. So we're driving to the dealership. Fuck that guy. Here's to hoping they actually cover it under warranty. Who knows? Oh well. Okay, thanks, bye.